Save big on Mozello website plans. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a website on Mozello. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below, so make sure you check the link out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money online. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to sign up. Now the sign up process is actually pretty simple. You just simply hit the sign up button over here, fill out this form. Now the sign up process is actually pretty simple. You just simply fill out this form, create a password, and hit the create my website button. It'll then take you to the website page where you can go ahead and get started. Now I already have an account, so what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and log in. You can see right here I just logged out. I'm going to try to log in back again, and this is how it looks like. Now this is the theme that I chose, and it's going to ask you to go ahead and name your website or create a brand name, and then select one of the templates, and this is the one that I chose. You can come over here on the left hand side, you'll see all of the options right here. Here is the setting option as well. You can change whatever you want. This is the domain, this is the store setting, this is the general setting, this is extras, these are the design change. Here you can change the design, the color option, that font template, everything. This is the store option. If you click on store, here you're basically going to add all of your products. In this section, you're going to create like a catalog, and this is going to be the preview section. This is going to be how your website looks like and how it operates and everything. So it's pretty simple, pretty cool, and it looks pretty similar to Shopify. And then here is your store settings as well, like analytics, discount, orders, and everything. So everything is available over here. So creating a website is actually pretty simple. You just hover over here, hover your mouse on any section you want. It's going to highlight it. Then you can just simply change it, move it around, go into settings or customize it, or move it down, or delete that section entirely. So if I wanted to change the background image, I'd just simply click on this image icon and upload one of the images that I have. Same thing with over here. If I wanted to change, let's say, the background color, actually move this down. So I'll move that back up. So there we go. So if I wanted to, let's say, change the color, I'll just simply hit the settings button or the customize button, and I can go ahead and change the background color to whatever I want. I can change the layout, add or change the primary button, stuff like that. So it's pretty simple. And once it's done, I just simply hit the publish button, enter in my phone number, and we should be good to go. So this is a verification process. I don't want to do this, so I'll just end the video over here, but you can go ahead and create a pretty simple website using this option. And again, it's not free. There is a pricing plan. So for example, if I come over here, you can see right here, we got the pricing plans over here. So you can select whichever pricing plan you want. If you select this one, you can go ahead and get started with that one. If you select this one, you can go ahead and start with that one. And of course, once you go to the checkout page, it's going to ask you for the discount code, so you can apply the discount code, which you can find in the description below. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.